Started with the importers of Terraclean. I've had it for about 6 or 7 years in the UK now. Imported the equipment and looked at a business model for getting it out to the public. So we decided on a model of like a soft franchise where garages acquire the equipment from us. We support them with technical training and the fluids that they need to provide the service. At this point in time, we've got 500 garages in the UK, and we're also developing some other countries around Europe as well. So Ireland's quite strong for us at the moment. I'm actually off to Eastern Europe with one of our engineers, Chris, at the end of this month. So development's been really fast, pretty good for us. Our perspective, diesel's taking a lot of stick, but what a lot of people do is they're now focusing on the diesels and realising that these clean diesels aren't as clean as they ought to be, that they need to do some work on them. And of course, when a light flashes up on your dashboard, you realise straight away that there is something wrong with that vehicle, and it's a message that we've made quite strongly to people that when those lights come up, don't ignore them, talk to your engineers. And we've tried to use social media quite a lot to make people realise that we've got this network, that we're there to be able to help them. People see problems such as DPFs as being the fault, whereas actually they're the symptom of the problem. So what we need to do is make sure that our engineers understand not just to look at the symptom, but to look at the root cause of the problem and solve the causes. Colin's been a superb ambassador for our brand since we brought him on board. We've got great visibility being there on his visor, and he puts an awful lot of effort into his own personal social media, and working with Colin and Louise, his wife, who handles the PR side of his own business. It's been a pleasure so far. Colin Turkington winning the British Touring Car Championships will be a great start. We had a fantastic end to last season. We were all very, very excited about it. Not just because we like the guy, because he is our brand ambassador, but we genuinely feel he's got a great opportunity to win this year, staying with WSR for another season. And we've got every confidence that he'll take Terraclean with him all the way to the #1 position at the end of the season.